Sound Radio Wales is a community dedicated to providing great sound and video for North Wales. We are a radio station fully focused on our locality, run by the people from the community, and offer a 24/7 streaming radio service from our studio in Kinmel Bay. We are always seeking connections with other individuals and groups. We crave diversity, and we are keen to support the changes in our area. We love to make a difference in the community. On air, we like to cover local issues with debates and discussions, interview guests and organisations, and not forgetting music and great radio entertainment. All brought to you visually and in sound, at a touch of a smartphone or by talking to a smart speaker. Alexa, play Sound Radio Wales.
In costume, of course, here to speak to you in the next 5
Broadcasting
minutes.
is our strength. We know how to tell a story.
Is it your first time in Brill, David?
Yes, it is my first time in Brill.
Yeah. With 3.5 thousand.
We aim to support business growth in North Wales with a range of services in radio, video and other digital platforms. And we like to get out and about in the community, producing videos that focus on the redevelopment of areas and coverage of local events for the public. And not forgetting
Traffic is
the
stopped
latest
on the
weather
way up the hill.
warnings.
Appears, if you can see in the background, there is blue lights.
We are Sound Radio Wales, the big sound of North Wales. This is Sound Radio.